guys, we're starting off another week here in Colombia. Today we took a bus out here to Minca and we're walking around a little in the forest, and we heard of this restaurant with really nice hammocks to chill on, so we're gonna go check that out now. We got to the Tayrono National Park and there's a lot of walking involved here. We're starting off hiking in the woods, but eventually we're supposed to get to a really nice beach. We just arrived at our next spot and we're going to be staying here for the rest of this week. It's a really chill hotel right by the beach with a lot of palm trees. Today is our last day here, and I've noticed I haven't really got that much footage. That's mainly because I just needed a break. It felt so good to just chill out here and not really do that much, and just go to the beach and swim and leave the camera in the room for a change. So it might sound stupid, but these days here were like a vacation on vacation for us. But don't worry, because next week I'm gonna be back and we have 2 more days left in Cartagena, and then we're going to be flying to Panama. So stay tuned for that. Peace.